What if the whole conversation about AI and money has been hijacked by the wrong people? Developers, agencies, app builders. That's not the majority of what's possible. That's just the loudest version of it. Here's what nobody in that conversation is telling you. One of the 5 paths I'm covering requires zero audience, zero content creation, and it's probably the last one you would guess. The people doing it are teachers, former nurses, writers, people who have never touched a line of code. They are using what they already know, but faster. One thing up front though, this is not a passive income fantasy video. Every path here requires real work. What AI changes is how much time that work takes and how accessible it has become. Now let's begin. I'm Suzy, and I simplify AI for real life. The most underestimated income path from AI is taking something that you already know how to do and deliver it significantly faster than before. Let me be specific why that matters economically. Think about any service that involves writing, research, drafting, organizing information. For example, social media captions, blog content, email newsletters, resume writing, copywriting, pitch decks, and product descriptions. Pick any of those. Before AI, a quality deliverable used to take hours. Research, outline, draft, revisions. A solid newsletter might be a 4-hour project. A well-written pitch deck might be a full day. But with AI, the first draft takes 20 minutes. Research 10. You still edit. You still apply your judgment, your voice, your quality standards. But the slow, mechanical, blank page part, gone. Say you charge a client $400 a month for their email newsletters. You didn't raise your rate, but you freed up 7 to 9 hours a month. You filled that with a second client, and then a third. And you're not working more. You're delivering more with the same hours. Not higher rates per client. More output per hour of your time. And this logic holds across a much wider range of service than most people realize. Virtual assistants who handle documentation, research, client communication use AI to do in 90 minutes what they used to take 4 hours. Social media managers used to take a whole week to create a monthly content calendar. Now can do it in a morning. People who handle market research and competitive analysis are producing the same quality of work in a fraction of time. There are 2 non-obvious things about this path. First, you don't market yourself as an AI service. That framing makes some clients uncomfortable and is not accurate to what you're selling. What you market is fast, high-quality output, and reliable turnaround. That's what clients buy. How you produce it, it's your internal process. And the majority of clients don't ask or don't care how you do it. They only care about 3 things. Is it good? Does it arrive on time? Does it match what they need? And the second thing is, the multiplier is real, regardless of your field. The skill you already have is an asset. AI is just an accelerant. Some of the platforms with high demand right now are Fiverr and Upwork. Both have buyers looking for any type of writers, email, blog content, descriptions, social media posts. These are searched and purchased every single day. So where to start? Pick one service you could offer or you already offer right now. Do your next project with AI helping in production. The difference between before and after is your income opportunity. And here's what some of you are thinking right now.
That makes sense if I already have clients, but I don't have clients yet. I'm starting from zero.
And that's where the next path becomes the entry point. The second path is creating products that sell without you delivering them every time. A template, a planner, a workbook, an ebook, a prompt pack. Something you build once, upload to a platform, and sells over and over again. Every sale after the first one requires no additional work from you, except updating whenever it's necessary. When it works, income comes in when you're doing something entirely different. AI changes 2 specific things here. It removes the writing bottleneck, which means that a guide that would take you 2 months to write now takes you a week. And it removes the excuse. Most people have 2 or 3 product ideas they've been sitting on for years because the production felt too heavy to start. AI takes that weight off. The starting point is truly accessible now, in a way that it wasn't before. Some of the most famous platforms for selling these now are Etsy and Gumroad. They are also the most accessible starting point for most people. Etsy has millions of active buyers looking for digital products every single day, with no markets required from you to reach them. Building search traffic means that your product can be found by someone who has never heard about you, based purely on what they search. Gumroad, on the other hand, is simpler to set up and performs better for higher priced or more niche products for specific professionals. But here's the thing that most people miss about what really sells on Etsy. It's not a productivity planner or a writing guide. These categories are saturated and dominated by sellers that have been there for years. The products that consistently sells are specific to a profession, specific to a life situation, specific to a problem that a particular type of person has. For example, a weekly planner designed for teachers managing classroom prep and parents. A monthly budget tracker designed for freelancers with irregular income. A job application tracker for people returning to work after time away. The more specific the product, the smaller the competition, the more directly it speaks to a buyer who is looking exactly for that, and the higher the conversion rate when they find it. Prompt packs are worth their own mention because they are one of the most searched products right now, and most people creating content in this space just ignore them. A prompt pack is a collection of AI prompts designed for a specific situation or profession. For example, 30 prompts for HR managers who need to write performance reviews, 20 prompts for healthcare administrators handling patient communications. You do not need to be a prompt engineer to write these prompts. You need to understand the situation well enough to know what that type of person struggles to write. AI can help you draft and test these prompts. What you're selling is the domain knowledge in the prompts. And that is what makes this product useful instead of generic. And if you want a full video about how to create your first digital product step by step, comment Etsy below and I'll build that one. So what's the starting point? Write down the specific area or situation that you have professional or lived experience. Then ask yourself what you needed when you were just starting out or when you went through that situation. That gap is your first product. AI outline and makes a draft. You edit, format, and upload. A first version can be done in a week if you commit to it. That's two paths down. Both work if you already have a skill or something to sell. But some of you are starting from zero. No clients, no product yet. And that's exactly what next week's video covers. 3 more paths, including one that needs no portfolio and no experience at all. Save this so you don't lose the first 2. Real AI for real life every week. Subscribe so you'll catch part 2 next week. See you in the next one.